Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Stash Smash Saturday. I had mentioned last week that I was gonna kind of cheat and work on some of my How to Kill a Kit from last month for the rest of these Saturdays till I kill that. So here it is. It was book themed. So essentially my book theme was a lot of the photos, and then I just really liked the homey nature of this collection. So I started this page and we're going to try to finish it with the Stash Smash Flare. So things in Stash Smash I need is Easter item, grid, 2+ photos, florals, use a die, pattern paper background, and flare buttons. Well, we're already not doing 2+ photos, so that's out. And we're already not doing a grid, so that's out. So I have to find a way to sneak in an Easter item. I plan on using florals, and I already have leaves, so that's good. I have to use a die somehow. Pattern paper background done. Flare or buttons. I can tuck some flare in, I'm sure. But what I've done is this was actually based off 30 Days of Sketches in March. It was actually my sketch. I just haven't finished it yet. Here it is. And I took some of my lovely velvet glaze stuff from Paper Glaze. This is velvet, which I don't think it's actually velvet because it's glittery. Aztec Sunflowers. I did this one, and then there's a brown one, and I just did some white. That was velvet, and that was, I think, Snowflake. So I just did that messy, and I have some florals in here I'm going to use. This is the rest of the kit. I believe there's some flare in there I can use, so that's perfect. So we'll get that done. So I just need to find an Easter item. I might try to find like a rabbit, or yeah, rabbit's probably going to be my best, or a cross maybe. I will find something. So that is my goal. So I'm going to dig out stuff and try and figure out, make sure all the other Stash Smash boxes are checked. And we will continue, like I said, with this kit the rest of April. Probably it'll take us, because I've got a couple more 12 by 12s in there. So let me go dig through here and find some more things, and I'll check back in with you. Okay, guys, I think I've accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. So I grabbed a couple of these mini flare from Scrap and Happy Studio that I got. I remembered I still had a bunch of ephemera from this collection. My brain is escaping me, but I'm sure you guys would all remember it. I loved it. It was a beautiful collection. I can't think of what it's called, but I think it's crepe paper. I think so. It's Wander, maybe? And there was a bunny. So there's my Easter item. I'm just gonna, I fussy cut him out of that little card. I'm gonna tuck him right there in the flowers. It has nothing to do with anything, but it fulfills that challenge, and it looks cute in there, so why not, right? I'm gonna tuck these flowers like so. I'm gonna tuck this bunny in there like so. And I do have a little room for some foam to go underneath these flowers to help support them. Just wanted something more tucked in right here to kind of match all the other circles that were going around. And I used dies. And I die cut Story. I think I'm going to put this little guy right here. Okay, it's all glued down. So yeah, I will write some journal. Oh, I have this full back I can write journaling on. I'm going to write journaling on that. Because there's a lot to say about this. This is, yeah, the last time my mom read a book to my child. So it's quite sad. So I don't necessarily want to take away from just the picture, but I want to tell a story about it. So I've got one last story over here, and then I did just a smaller cluster than what in the sketch. So, but I was able to tuck those things in, and so I accomplished all the Stash Smash items. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Becky's channel and give her some love. And we appreciate you for watching this series for as long as it is. So we've got, I think, at least one more layout we can make with this kit, and then we'll be done with this one. So then we'll get to use another one for April, which is kind of fun. But yeah, I wanted to get this kit used since it was for my March How to Kill a Kit with Style. Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot. Here's some close-ups. We'll see you later. Bye.